This 2025 Jayco Eagle HT 27 MLC is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 32 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 4, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, Slideout, leveling jacks, air conditioning, refrigerator, spare tire kit, oven, TV, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Jayco Eagle HT 27 MLC is 8,753 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.